We have visited Adelaide before, but somehow we completely missed what might be the best part of the city.
We've been living under a rock.
Yeah. Holy moly, look at those.
In comparison to my face.
I can't believe we've never been here before.
What are we thinking?
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. It might not look like it, but we have just arrived into the city of Adelaide. We are currently in the Botanic Gardens, which I have to say is one of our favourite parts of Adelaide. We've actually been here a couple of times before. When we first got to Australia, we were working in Barossa Valley, and we thought that this trip, this lap around Australia would not be complete without showing you guys the capital of South Australia.
So we've parked just outside of Friends Gate, which is on the edge of which is at the end of the Botanic Gardens, close to where Adelaide Zoo is. And we thought this was the perfect way to start our day in Adelaide by walking through the beautiful greenery in the Botanic Gardens. And what's really interesting and unique about Adelaide is when you look at it on maps, the CBD is surrounded by greenery, part of that being the Botanic Gardens. You can get lost in here.
Thanks, man.
Couldn't wait till we got to the market to grab yourself a coffee. I had to get one for the way.
Why have one coffee when you can have two coffees, right, guys?
All right, we've spent long enough wandering around the beautiful Botanic Gardens. We're now going to make our way to the Central Market and we're going to walk through the CBD to get there. There's a British pub. What the hell?
I wonder if they do a cracking Sunday roast. We haven't had a Sunday roast in quite a while.
Oh, let's have a look. England flag. Oh, the football's on.
Oh yeah.
Do they do a roast?
I couldn't see it on there, but I'm sure they would.
Roast of the day. Oh,
Can we go into the market?
If we weren't going to the market.
That's it. Yeah, it sounds good. So we've just made our way down to the very centre of Adelaide, which is Rundle Mall Street. Is that right?
Rundle Mall.
Rundle Mall.
Yeah.
And we're passing through this street as we head through to Adelaide's
Central Market.
I don't know any words, mate. Ready for coffee number 2. This kind of reminds me of Victoria Market in Melbourne. I suppose this is Adelaide's alternative, but
yeah,
very cool looking already.
And it smells great.
It smells incredible. One thing I always regret when we come to places like this is that we haven't got the van parked right outside, because I want to buy so much produce and meat and goodies.
Yeah. Right, so we've got 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th Avenue.
I guess it makes sense to start at 1st Avenue, right?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, paella.
Oh. Look
wow.
at those.
Yeah,
Holy
mate.
moly, look at the donuts.
Oh, I do love a almond croissant.
Yeah, but look at that size of that donut. I don't know if you can tell on camera.
That is incredible.
We can come back.
We can't buy food at the first store we see. We've
We're
got
not
to go
even
look
made
around.
it to 1st Avenue yet.
Come on, let's keep going.
Oh my gosh, more goodies. Look at these.
Wow.
I can't believe we've never been here before.
No, so we've been to Adelaide plenty of times, but never come to this market,
No.
which is like, what are we thinking?
Yeah.
So this is Eastern Broadway, not 1st Avenue. And this kind of reminds me of being in Southeast Asia at the market.
I thought the same thing.
It's so cool.
Go on, let's keep going. It says Australia's #1 food market.
I can believe that. This place is impressive. And
yeah, it is. I've already seen pizza, oysters, falafel, cakes, and everywhere's busy. It's hard to know like what's going to be good. I guess everything.
I think we've got an apology to make,
Why?
because we should have brought your dad here. So, Paul, if you're watching, we're sorry we didn't come here with you. We did not know about this place.
Well, it's not. I don't know. I think when you go to Melbourne, you hear about the market there. It's a big thing to go to that market. But I've never heard of this one. But
We've been living under a rock.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what's so cute? Look at that.
The paella, oh my gosh.
Holy moly.
go.
Do you know what's going to happen?
What's going to happen?
I've got to make a choice.
This is going to be impossible for you. You are not great at making a choice when there's a lot of good choice on offer.
If we could just get a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so nice in here. Imagine living in Adelaide and this is the market.
I think I'd come here every day and try something new.
Oh my God, you'd have to come like every weekend and just
try something new every day.
So cool.
Okay, here's coffee.
You're going to get a coffee?
I feel like there's going to be more choice. I want to walk around the market and then decide which one looks the best. Yeah.
We're walking down every aisle, you know, like you do in Aldi where you go down one and then up the other and then like a snake. We're doing that.
Either that or I end up having like 3 or 4 coffees today.
Yeah. No, but it's in sections. So it might be like only coffees this side.
Let's go and find out.
Okay. Oh, all the different...
All these coffees. I can see you.
Hello. It smells great.
It does smell amazing.
Although I don't drink coffee, I love the smell of it. Look at those donuts. Why are all of them massive? Oh my God, I need one of those ones. Okay, so I figured out that every stall you can get from both sides of the...
Which is great if you're indecisive like us.
Yeah, we've got to see everything twice basically.
Yeah.
Look at all the fruit.
We are only supposed to be in Adelaide for 4 hours. That's all we've got on our parking. But I could see us easily spending 3 or 4 of those just here. The jerky.
Oh. Everything's supersized here. Like, look at the size of that loaf of bread.
And that's only $6. I feel like
so
that
big?
is such a good deal. 2 bread rolls.
2 bags of bread
That can't be
rolls.
that. That's got to be this, right?
Yeah, it's got to be. 2 of those for $6.
Could you imagine? That would be a deal. A steal of a deal.
Oh, they
I have
look
to say,
good.
I love this. I would probably be here every day if we lived in Adelaide.
I think we're going to spend most of our time in Adelaide. In here.
In here? Yeah, that's what I was saying. I think we've definitely bitten off more than we can chew today. We might have to go and up our parking. Okay, coffee number 2 has been ordered. We're just waiting to collect it whilst we walk around the market. It does seem like that side of the market is a little bit busier. As soon as we've got to this side, which I think is 4th Avenue, right?
Yeah.
It started to get a little bit quieter. Some of the shops look like they might be closed for the day, but this place is pretty epic. There's so much majority? So much.
Well, I don't know what you're trying to say.
I don't know.
So much.
Choice. What's the word for choice that begins with an M? There's so much.
Choice. I don't know.
Large mocha for Lou.
For Lou.
Thanks, man.
You say your name's Lou?
I said Luke, but Lou works. Oh, yeah. So if you watched last week's video, we went to the Beerenberg factory or farm factory, farm shop?
Farm.
The Beerenberg farm in Handel.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Are you getting your first?
I was going to say, you know, like when you don't know how much you're craving something until you see it, and now I've seen pizza, I'm like, pizza.
What are you gonna
Everything
get?
else today is like, that looks good, but pizza is like, yeah.
Okay, now you got to make a choice.
This one looks epic and no one's going for it. But that
Or
one
that's a
looks
fresh
good.
one. Oh my goodness. It's getting loud in here and it's Thursday. Imagine what it's like on a Saturday.
This place is obviously popular for a good reason. We decided, guys, we've got some pizza for lunch. I also managed to pick up a coffee, so I'm ready to tuck in. This looks
Go on,
delicious.
give it a go.
I'm gonna get my coffee. This looks freaking good. This best be good.
I'm sure it will be.
Look at the size of that in comparison to my face. Oh,
That nod.
good. Can't beat pizza, so good.
I went for tandoori chicken and I feel like I panicked in the moment, so I'm hoping it's good, but
It's gonna be great.
I hadn't decided by the time it was time to tell him what I wanted. I hadn't decided.
If you know Ashleigh, guys, this is a common Ashleigh problem.
Well, there was a pizza there that So I was like, oh, that looks good, but it was at the tandoori chicken one, but then they brought a new one out and it looked different. And I was like, oh, so what's the other one? Oh, whatever.
Good. Happy mistake then, right?
That is like Indian cuisine on a pizza.
That sounds delicious.
You want to try it?
Yeah. Mine's got a bit of spice, so I should have said I went for Italian salami, and it is delicious, has a bit of spice, which is exactly how I like it.
Yum. Yes. Want to try? Wowza, mate.
I see what you mean.
Yeah, isn't it? It's like a curry, a samosa, everything, all in one on a pizza.
That's good. That was really good. I think I prefer yours to mine.
Do you?
Yeah.
I can see you wanting to go for a second bite.
I'll put it down before I eat it.
That bit in the middle looks so good. Have you got a shot of that?
Okay, you ready?
Is it spicy?
It's got a little bit of spice, not too much. Yours definitely has more flavour, but this is typically me.
I don't think it has. Oh no, wait, it does have a bit of spice. No, that's really good. Yeah. This is good. Okay, we're going to see you in a minute and eat these. Okay, that was delicious. I was worried about making the right or wrong choice, and it was spot on. We've got 2 more avenues
Yeah.
to go down. We're going to get something sweet, and there's also an upstairs. No idea what's up there, but we'll go have a look. Come on then. Holy moly, look at those. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God.
Orange and almond cake, that's what I like. Yeah, but car park.
Oh. Okay.
That's that, guys. If you're wondering what's upstairs at Adelaide Central Market, it's a car park.
Okay.
So maybe we should go back down.
Yeah, let's go back down.
Is that like a pose, like supermodel pose? No?
With your stiff neck.
A really stiff neck. I have to turn around this way.
Right, we've decided where we're getting our sweet treat. We just don't know what we're getting.
We walked past this place, thought we'd go and look around a little bit more, and we ended up just coming back here. Safe to say these cakes look amazing, so let's hope they taste as good as they look.
I think I need to look around that side as well.
Okay, but I'm ready.
What are you going to get?
Orange and almond cake.
Okay.
Yeah.
I might get that.
Treats secured. We're going to save them until we get back to the van. I've gone for an orange and almond cake, while Ashleigh's gone for a
Vanilla slice, or what Aussies call it is a snot block.
Which is a lovely description, guys. We're going to save these till we get back. So we're going to head back via Rundle Mall.
Yeah.
And then get in the van, and we have somewhere to go and see something that we haven't seen in a long while. So we've just been walking down Rundle Mall, which is the pedestrianised high street here in Adelaide. But right off of Rundle Mall is Adelaide Arcade, which is this beautiful historic building. So we thought we'd come in very quickly to check it out whilst we're on our way back to the van. We don't have too much longer left on our parking, but we couldn't miss this one.
Do you know what this kind of reminds me of?
What's that bit?
Kind of like a big train.
Okay, yeah.
Like the shape of a train.
Or a train station.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just has the features of like the character of like a train station or a train,
Yeah.
like a vintage.
I was just looking at the barbers across the way, that looks really cool. One of the things I do love about being here in Adelaide is it feels like such a relaxed city. You don't feel rushed. It doesn't feel stressful when you're walking around. Everybody seems really nice and friendly, or at least everybody that we've met today. And the buildings are a mix between new and old, so you have some lovely historic places like this place. Okay, so what are your thoughts, babe, on the Adelaide city?
So we've been to Adelaide a couple of times, and I think this is probably my favourite time. We've been a couple of times and it's normally in winter, so for me Adelaide feels like a cosy city. It's also been voted, I believe, one of the most livable cities, and I can see why. Like Luke said earlier, it's not overwhelming, it seems easy to get around, but I love the markets. I think that was my favourite thing, and the weather held out for us, which is good, but it has been windy, so if I look crazy, that's why. We're walking back through the Botanical Gardens now to go back to the van, and then we've got about a 20-minute drive to our next stop. Hey mate!
So we couldn't come to Adelaide without coming to Henley Beach, and funnily enough, this might be one of the last times we get to see the sea in a little while, as after this we're going to be heading up the highway to the Northern Territory.
I hadn't thought about that, to be honest. All I was thinking about is that we hadn't seen the sea in months. I didn't think about that we're not going to see it again for not as long, but the next time we see the sea, we'll see it from the Northern Territory.
Yeah.
It looks very windy out there. We are going to venture out and have a look.
Let's go out there. Hey, I have missed seeing the sea. It's one of those things that always puts a smile on your face. To see the sea, to see the beach, beautiful Henley Beach,
Yeah,
even though
nice.
it's not really a day that we want to go and spend too much time on it. I love the smell of the sea. It's such a nice smell, but it is chilly today.
Holy moly!
It's a little windy, mate.
Jeez. Ah! It's too windy. Oh, look at the sand. Whoa, can you see all the sand?
Yeah, so cool. It's pretty cold out there, guys. I think we're going to make a tactical retreat back off of the shore. We just saw a girl who was barefoot. At this time of year, that's pretty brave, right?
And then an older couple eating ice cream. Whew, they're still making the most of being by the seaside. Oh, get back in. Woo. It's such a lovely area, but the weather is cold, so windy. We had intentions of going to the end of the pier, but that just wouldn't have been fun.
No.
So, and we also need to eat our cakes, which we thought about taking to the beach, but no, that also wouldn't have been.
So I think the next best alternative is we're going to park it right there on the front, watch the sea, have our cakes.
Yeah. Here we are. It's looking quite grey out there at sea, but the sun's shining this way.
It was forecast rain today. I think we've got pretty lucky so far.
Yeah, thank God we haven't had rain. Look! Wowza. Where's my fork? There we go. Whoa. Cheers.
You know what this is? Coffee.
Oh, I was going to say a cup of tea.
Cup of tea would be nice.